Good evening, everyone. Thanks you for dialing in for tonight's IPO webinar. Here we have ES Sunlogy Berhad will be listed on ACE market on February 20. ES Sunlogy Berhad provide M&E mechanical and electrical engineering services for different types of property such as industrial, commercial, and residential, as well as solar facilities. The company are principally involved in the provision of electrical engineering service for electrical supply distribution system, provision of mechanical engineering service for building services, and generation and sales of renewable energy. Later on, our ES Sunlogy management team will discuss it in detail. We're going to honor to have here the company managing director, Mr. Ko. Hi, Mr. Ko.
Hi.
Our CEO, Mr. Teo. Hi, Mr. Teo.
Hi.
Our CFO, Mr. Fong. Hi, Mr. Fong.
Hello.
Okay, let us review for the corporate video before we run through the presentation.
Welcome to ES Sunlogy Berhad, an established provider in the provision of mechanical and electrical M&E engineering industry and solar PV industry. Committed to excellence and innovation, we power Malaysia's future in advanced M&E engineering. We specialize in providing M&E engineering services for electricity supply distribution systems, building systems, as well as generation and sales of renewable energy. Over the years, we have collaborated with key stakeholders in the construction, engineering, and renewable energy sectors in Malaysia, contributing to numerous high-profile projects across the nation. At the helm of the company, who drive our vision and commitment to excellence, Mr. Kor Chuan Meng, Managing Director, Mr. Chu Ker Yi, Executive Director, together embody the expertise and leadership that define our success. Our expertise spans across three core areas. We specialize in a holistic range electrical engineering services for electricity supply distribution systems, covering high voltage, HV, medium voltage, MV, low voltage, LV, and extra low voltage, ELV systems to ensure efficient electricity distribution for a wide range of properties. Our mechanical engineering services for building services focus on creating comfortable and safe environments through the air conditioning and mechanical ventilation systems, communication systems, and fire systems. Additionally, we carry out mechanical engineering works for solar PV plants, managing from the installation to testing and commissioning of solar PV panels and balancer systems to produce clean and sustainable energy. Our services cater to end users across diverse sectors, including commercial and residential properties, industrial facilities, solar facilities, whether it's installing new systems or retrofitting existing ones. Our dedicated team delivers integrated, customized solutions that meet the unique needs of our clients. Since 2017, we started providing M&E engineering services for solar PV plants. In 2023, we achieved a milestone with the commercialization of the Zhongzhong LSS PV plant, generating renewable energy sold to TNB. Looking ahead, we are advancing the development of the Selarong LSS PV plant to further expand our renewable energy portfolio. Since 2015, we have been registered with CIDB as a G7 contractor. Our journey has been defined by collaborations with established construction players across Malaysia, reinforcing our position as a trusted partner in the M&E engineering industry. Recognized as a photovoltaic service provider by CEDA, we proudly contribute to Malaysia's renewable energy goals through initiatives like the CGPP. These milestones exemplify our expertise and commitment to advancing energy and engineering solutions for a sustainable future. Our mission is to provide high-quality M&E engineering services and renewable energy solutions, adhering to the highest industry standards. From conception to completion, we ensure seamless project execution and customer satisfaction. With ISO 9001:2015 certification and a reputation for excellence, we continue to innovate, delivering impactful solutions for a sustainable future. We continue to expand in M&E engineering and solar PV industry, shaping a brighter, greener future for Malaysia.
Innovation, quality, and sustainability are at the heart of everything we do. Together, let's build a legacy of progress and energy efficiency.
ES Sunlogy Berhad, empowering progress, enabling sustainability.
All right. Thanks for the corporate video for us to understand more about ES Sunlogy Berhad. Without further ado, we'll start the presentation. Over to you, Mr. Teo.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. Okay, first I would like to start with our public offering summary and timeline. We are proud to announce that our initial public offerings on the ACE market of Bursa Malaysia Security Berhad. Upon listing, our enlarged share capital will be total 700 millions with the target issue price set at 30 cents per share. The public offering involved 140 million new share representing 20% of the enlarged share capital. Those shares will be allocated as follows: 35 million share equivalent to 5% to the Malaysian public, 17.5 million share equivalent to 2.5% each to public investor and Bumiputra public investor, 17.5 million share equivalent to 2.5% to eligible person under the PIN form allocation, and 87.5 million share equivalent to 12.5% for private placement to public investor approval by MITI. Okay, the proceeds raised from this IPO amounting of 42 millions will be strategically utilized. First, 14.1 millions, about 33.6%, is for development of Serarong LSS PV plant. Second, 14 millions for the repayment of borrowing. Third, 9.18 millions for general working capital. Fourth, 0.72 millions for the implementation of ERP system. Fifth, 4 millions for IPO listing expenses. Our indicated timeline actually is over already, but our listing date will be in February 20th. Next, our board director, Mr. Loh Kuan Yew, our independent non-executive chairman, Mr. Koh Chuan Ming, our managing director, Chu Ke Yi, our executive director, Dato Margaret Ting, Dato Haja Nor Zamina, and Ms. Lim Kui Yen is our independent non-executive director. Here is our group structure. ES Sunlogy is investment holding company holding 100% equity interest in SafeLight, while True SafeLight is holding 90% equity interest in Energy ES and 40% equity interest in Serarong Pertama. For your information, Fraser Construction and Modern 10 Development each hold 5% of the remaining ordinary share of Energy ES Energy respectively. And for Serarong Pertama, Blazing Solar, subsidiary of Solar West, and TRE, subsidiaries of TNB, each holding 30% of the remaining ordinary share for Serarong Pertama. These two subsidiaries are Energy ES is a subsidiary, and Serarong Pertama, both also a generation of renewable energy. Okay, over the years, our group have achieved significant growth progressively from G3 contractor in 2011 to G7 contractors since 2015. We have showcased our expertise in M&E engineering services through diversified projects across industry, residence, and commercial in Malaysia. Building on this experience, we ventured into LSS PV plant operation, beginning with the Junjong LSS PV plant in 2021. Currently, we are advancing the construction and commercialization of our second LSS PV plant project, namely Serarong LSS PV plant. This plant is collaboration between TNB Renewable and Blazing Solar, a subsidiary of TNB Malaysia and Solar West holding Berhad. Additionally, we are actively bidding for the LSSI program and are optimizing our securing upcoming project. Those milestones reflect our growth capability and transitioning from the M&E player to our own operation of solar power plant. We remain committed to supporting Malaysia renewable energy need and contribution to the nation infrastructure development. Next. This table is showing that our business model, our business activity will be on, our core business activity will be M&E engineering services, comprising of electricity supply distribution systems such as HV, MV, LV, ELV, earthing system, lighting system, security system, and etc. Second, mechanical engineering services such as ACMV, aircon mechanical ventilations, communication system, fire protection system, testing and communication system of solar PV panel and balance of system. Our main customer, main con and project owner. Second, generation and sales of renewable energy comprising of operation of solar plant owner and also maintain of solar plant. Our main customer, corporate customers such as TNB and corporate customer. Our principal market is in Malaysia. Since 2011, our main principal activity are to provide M&E engineering services. Referring to the diagram highlighted, illustrate that electricity supply distribution system. In 2023, our group ventured into the generation sector for solar power plant. Leveraging on our expertise from providing M&E engineering services for solar project, we decided to enter this segment to generate a recurring income. The second diagram shows that the full services provided by our group on the electrical supply distribution system for end user. Here are the key electrical equipment such as substation, main switchboard, sub-switchboard, distribution box, ELV system, main control room, motor control room, access control system, lighting, PABX system, CCTV, switch socket, outlet, and so on. Our provision of electricity engineering services for electricity supply distribution system include propose, supply, install, test, and commissioning of show electricity panel like transformer, switchgear, main switchboard, sub-switchboard, distribution board, and that are installed in the building, front room, and distribution electricity throughout the building. This is so that electrical ELV engineering services include access control system, lighting system, lightning system, and security system. At the right-hand side, there is a busway system, a prefigurated electric system which connect electricity to the electrical device. Our mechanical engineering work for building services include ACME system, communication system, as well as fire system. Our group also carry out mechanical engineering services for solar PV plant. Shown here is the aerial view of the LSS PV plant of overview of the rooftop solar PV installation. In addition to M&E engineering services, we are presently involved in the generation and sales of renewable energy from Junjong LSS PV plant, a corporation within Modern 10 and Fraser Construction for the operation output capacity of 20.76 megawatt to TNB for a period of 25 years. The Junjong LSS PV plant commercialized since 24 July 2023. In addition to Junjong Solar Plant, we presently in collaboration with TRE and Blazing Solar for development of another LSS PV plant located at Serarong Kulim, which is located near to our existing Junjong Solar Plant. Serarong LSS PV plant is expected to commercial construction by December 2024 and target commencement in operation by December 2025. This plant we are operation output capacity of 29.99 megawatt to corporate customer client M. As ES Sunlogy, we specialize in provision mechanical engineering services for solar PV plant. This include installation, testing, commissioning of solar PV panel, and the balance of system. Solar PV panel converts sunlight into electricity using PV cell, and the balance of system include crucial components like mounting structure, cabling, wiring system, junction box, and relay, energy management system, and safety and grounding equipment. For such project, we also manage procurement, ensuring all material and equipment meet the specification set by our client. Our responsibility extends to planning, order placement, tracking, inspection, and the management of subcontractor. This hands-on approach ensures that every project is extended efficiently and meet the high standard of the quality and reliability. Next, we go to our finance overview. Our revenue has shown impressive growth over the years with compound annual growth rate CAGR of 36.6%. Total revenue increased from 54.9 million in 2021 to 191 million in financial year 2024. This growth has been driven primarily by our M&E engineering services, contributing significantly across industry, commercial, and residence property. In terms of revenue by business segment, the provision of M&E engineering services remain the domain's contributor, followed by trading and renewable energy sales solar. Solar projects also play a growing role with contribution increase steadily year on year. This highlights the diversification of our business and ability to meet market demand across multiple sectors. Turning to gross profit, we have achieved remarkable growth at the CAGR of 48.7%, raising from 6.3 million in financial year 2021 to 30.9 million in financial year 2024. Our gross profit margin has been stable, ranking between 16.1 and 16.5, reflecting efficiency, cost management, and strong revenue contribution from key segments. Gross profit by business segment show that M&E engineering services constantly deliver the highest margin, supported by the growing impact of our renewable energy project. This demonstrates the profitability of our diversified operation and our focus on high margin opportunity. Next, our profitability has grown significantly, with EBITDA achieving a remarkable CAGR of 102.7%. It's increased from 1.6 million in financial year 2021 to 26.5 million in financial year 2024. Similarly, our PAT has grown. Our PAT has grown an exceptional CAGR of 143.8%, raising from 0.3 million to 13.6 million. PAT margin has also improved steadily, reflecting our ability to optimize operation and enhance overall efficiency. Those results underscore our strong financial performance and stable profitability as we continue to grow. Okay. Our financial positions remain robust. Cash and bank balance grew from 1.8 million in financial year 2021 to 13.9 million in financial year 2024, while total asset increased significantly from 43.1 million to 207 million during the same period. Total liability increased to 149.9 million in financial year 2024, reflecting our investment in growth and expansions. Fixed deposit with a licensed bank has also raised steadily, providing financial stability and liquidity. The strong finance position us well for future opportunity. Okay. Our key finance ratio demonstrate improved financial health. The gearing ratio, which means leverage, peaked at 1.8 times in financial year 2023, but improved to 1.36 times in financial year 2024. This reflecting effective debt management. The current ratio, which measures liquidity, increased from 0.7 times in financial year 2024 to 1.23 times in financial year 2024. This indicating our ability to meet short-term obligation. Those ratios highlight our commitment to maintaining a healthy finance structure while driving sustainability growth. Fifth, our future plan and business strategy. As you can see in the slide, we are one of the major players in the M&E engineering services industry in Malaysia. And we are proud of being the next player to be listed in Bursa Security. This is an important corporate milestone for our group to be on par with other existing players in the M&E engineering services industry. This demonstrating our success and capability built in the short span of less than 15 years. Okay, we are positive with a continual growth in the M&E engineering services industry, which have grown at the impressive CAGR of 8.9% between 2019 and 2023. Despite the challenge brought about by the challenge and disruption caused by the COVID-19 pandemic, our has remained steady fast and continue to record growth in our profitability level in the past 4 years of 143.8%, demonstrating our continuous stellar performance and growth. We remain confident on the future growth to be recorded from the industry, residential, commercial property industry in Malaysia, as well as the solar photovoltaic industry in Malaysia in this coming year. Sunlogy Berhad has several competitive strengths that set us apart in the M&E engineering industry. First, our wide range of M&E engineering services has established us as a trust player in Malaysia. Currently, we have projects with high contract value of 90 millions and 76 millions. We have a proven track record successfully undertake complex M&E engineering projects across various sector projects, namely commercial residence, industry, as well as solar renewable energy system and others. We have been operating in the M&E engineering industry in Malaysia for approximately 13 years. During financial year 2021 to 2024 and up to LPD, our group have completed 49 M&E engineering projects with a total contract sum of 230.76 million. Third, our experience and capability have enabled us to diversify into renewable energy, further strengthen our position in the industry, such as Junjung and Serarong LSS PV plant. Lastly, our qualified and experienced management team, such as Mr. Koh, our MD, with 23 years of M&E engineering M&E experience, Mr. Chu, our ED, with 32 years of M&E experience. They are also supported by our team of key senior management with many years of relevant working experience. This is to ensure successful execution of our project and the strategic growth of our business. Okay, our business strategy. To ensure sustainable growth, Sunlogy have outlined 5 key business strategy. First, we are going to develop Serarong LSS PV plant. We aim to develop of 20.99 megawatt solar plant under the CGPP in Kulim Kedah, contributing significant to our renewable energy portfolio. Second, secure more solar project, leveraging our technical expertise and know-how and our track record. We intend to win more rooftop and large-scale solar project by collaborating closely with our partner. Third, increase market share in M&E engineering. As of 1st August 2023 and up to LDP, we have submitted 103 tender worth of RM 1.04 billion, which, if secure, will replenish our order book and increase our market share. Fourth, will be strengthen internal workforce by recruiting qualified personnel. We aim to support business growth and enhance project management capability. Fifth, participate in LSS 5 program, we intend to participate in the bidding process for LSS5 or LSS5 Plus, which present an opportunity to expand our renewable energy footprint and generate recurring revenue. Those strategy position ES Sunlogy for continual growth and strengthen our steady and as a leader in M&E engineering and renewable energy solutions. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Teo, just now for the presentation. For us to understand more about the ES Sunlogy Berhad. The first question, actually you can click bottom of the box, the Q&A button. Okay, and then yeah, you can see clearly from there. Yeah. All right. The first question is asking about RE segment. Are you the main contractor or do you operate as a subcontractor? Do you try to find third-party contractor for any aspect for the project?
Okay, because we are the M&E, we are the M&E engineering services. We are subcon. We are the subcon, but normally that we are the NSC, nominated subcontractor from a developer or the project owner, and as well as we are also manage some of the project. We will sub it to our subcon, and we are manage them. Yeah.
Okay. And then the next question is, within the M&E segment, will you provide breakdown of margin between the commercial and residential business and the industrial business?
Yes, yes. I can give you the number. Okay. As from our current order book, based on our current order book, that we have an unbilled order book of 269 millions. That unbilled for industry is about 100 millions. 100.5 millions is under industry sector. And for commercial and residence is about 168.5 millions. This is as at LDP.
All right. Okay. Okay, the next question is asking about the peers. How do you use ES Sunlogy position compared to the peers in the M&E engineering service industry like CPH, HE Group?
Okay, for this, how are we differentiate with them is we have a wide range of M&E engineering services, namely from HV, LV, ELV. That's mean mostly that all the HV up to the ELV, that sector we can do. And also we are able to undertake the LSSPV plant or solar facility. And moreover, that we are also diversify ourselves into renewable and sales energy sector. So that I believe that we are quite different from them.
Okay. Okay. Could you explain the difference in project ownership percentage between Junjong and Selarong?
Again.
Yeah. Could you explain why there is different project ownership percentage between the Junjong project and the Selarong project for the solar?
Okay. For Junjong LSS PV plant, right, is under the LSS4 program. That when we tender that times, we are cooperating between Safe Light with 90%, with Fraser Construction 5%, and Modern 10 developments with 5%, for us to tender or under the LSSPV LSS4. That is at that time is under LSS4. For Selarong, that we are cooperating between TRE. TRE is a subsidiary of TMB, and also Blazing Solar is a subsidiary for SolarVest Holding Berhad. That program will be under CGPP. That is different program. So that's why when we are talking, that is the reason that is a different collaboration within Junjong and Selarong Pertama, because it's different program.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Thank you for just on the explanation. Okay, this question asking about the revenue. Could you provide the reason why revenue doubled in financial year 23 compared with financial year 22?
Okay. Okay, basically for financial year 2022 compared to 2023, that is a double up is mainly that is because of we are winning the higher projects in our record, that cooling project that about 19 millions. That project is about 19 millions worth of contract, and also that for 2023, that is we are tendering, that is we have winning of 2 LSS 4 project that we are commercialized the M&E sector for 2 projects that mainly one is the Junjong and another one is a Setiawan. That both project also under the LSS4. Yeah.
Okay, just now you mentioned both of the project is that already completed?
Yes.
All
It's
right.
commercialized.
Okay. The next question also asking about, is GP margin. Will you provide why there is significantly increase in GP margin for the RE segment in financial year 24? Do you expect this margin explanation to be sustainable?
Okay, this one I pass it. Can you repeat the questions? Yeah.
Yeah, sure. They're asking the GP margin for the RE segment in financial year 24, and why is that is increased significantly, and do you expect this margin explanation to be sustainable?
GP margin.
For financial year 2024, there's only a slight increase over 2023. And our GP margin, we will maintain at about 16%.
Okay, 60% for only RE segment.
Pardon?
On
Uh,
RE segment, you mean?
Yeah.
The RE, the GP is the first year, right? This is the first year that we have a RE segment for 2024.
The contribution is about 5%
Yeah.
of the total group revenue.
Okay. All right. Okay, also asking about RE, but it's in solar project. Do you expect securing more solar project in the near future?
Yes, we are quite aggressively into either for M&E engineering work for LSS plant or solar project, and also we are very aggressively that we are going to participate on the LSS plus that announcing by our governments. So we are believe that with the Malaysian Renewable Energy Roadmap, right, that the government is target to achieve 31% by 2025 and 40% by 2035. If with this initiative by the governments with the announcing for LSS5 and LSS5 plus, that we believe that if we are able to secure more solar project we are able to get more and diversify ourselves into the solar renewable energy.
Okay, quite bright for the future. And then also support from the government, LSS 5 and LSS 5 Plus.
Yep.
Okay. Okay, just now you mentioned you have the, okay. This is asking for the tender book, 1.04 billion. What has been for your historical successful rate in securing the tenders? Could you share?
Okay. Based on our historical tenders, that our success rate based on our historical success rate, that is within 15 to 20%.
Okay,
based on our
successful rate,
historical.
historical,
Yes.
15 to 20.
Yeah, 15 to 20. Yeah.
Oh, all right. Okay, just now you mentioned you have unbilled order book 269 million. And how much that is expected to be recognized in calendar year 2025?
Okay, from that, our unbilled order books, 269.12 million, as at LDP represent 2.48 stamp. Okay, our average revenue of 108.3 million calculate based on our audit revenue from 2021 to 2004. I can say that roughly about should be around 110 or 120 to be recognized on financial year 2025.
Okay. Okay, this question, okay. The data center, are there any of your past project or ongoing project related to data center? If yes, what is their revenue contribution to your company?
In actually, in our past, we have completed one data center in Selangor, but due to the NDA that we signed, we are unable to disclose what is the company name. But the revenue from data center for the past is less than 1%.
Okay, okay. Okay, I think we answered almost all of the question. If there is any question investor you want to ask, you are welcome to pop up. Okay. Okay, now you are major focusing business in Malaysia, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Are there any plan for you to expand your business to overseas?
At this moment, we do not have a specific plan that we are going for the overseas. But in future, there is any good opportunity for us to expand to overseas. Yes, we are intend to go for overseas.
Quite good.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I think that is the last one. What are the long-term goal for Sunlogy in terms of business growth and market expansion?
As you can see that from our future plan, right? We are still in for this 1-2 years that our intent is to develop our Selarong, to complete our Selarong project in time, and our intent is to secure more solar project. This is our long-term goal, and also using our know-how in M&E sector. So we are trying to get more industry and commercial and residence project as well, because that is our core. That is still our main sector lah. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Before we end, is there any closing remark before, for this webinar for our investor?
Invest in us. We are the futures.
Yeah. You are one of the quite good company
Right.
in M&E
Yeah.
sector
Because
industry.
we have a very wide range of, we are not only in one sector, we have a very wide range of M&E. We are able to do solar plant, we are able to do industry, residential and commercials. And also, we are also diversify ourselves into renewable energy. Yeah.
Yep. Okay, how about Mr. Fong? Do you have anyone want to add on for our investor? All right. How about Mr. Koh?
No, from my side, Mr. Sam already said to you all.
Okay. Once again, congrats upcoming for the listing on ACE market on February of 20.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Mr. Koh. Thank you, Sam, and thank you, Mr. Fong, for today's presentation.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Okay, thank you. Bye.